Good evening, Mr. Fanso. Good evening, Mr. Brown. Good evening, good evening. And how are you, sir? What breeze blow your hat? My humble abode this evening now. Good evening, sir. Well, Mr. Fanso, I am here because of my two dogs, Scrappy and Rufus. Hmm? I've been searching all over the community for the two dogs, only to find out that my two dogs was into your yard, Mr. Fanso, and you poison half my two dog them. Hmm? I heard from a good source because I don't like calling people name, but Mr. Simi told me that he was in the bar drinking, and when he turned around to heal his brethren that was passing, lo and behold, his Rufus and Scrappy him see down the road, hmm? down the road. I tell you, they were moving fast like Speedy Gonzales. That's how fast they were moving. Hmm? And you are here telling me, Mr. Fanso, that you don't see my dog in your yard? I heard that you give them 2 tin of sardine and them don't make it home. Hmm? And after all, I am telling you, I feel it. I feel it. Eh? Mr. Fanso, I don't know where you going to tell God say you do, sir. I don't know where you going to tell God say. Every day you get up and God a Bible class and prayer meeting and church. And those are the wickedness you're doing, Mr. Fanso. Mr. Fanso, that is the wickedness you're doing. Poison half me dog, Mr. Fanso. Hmm? I am telling you, Mr. Fanso, you're going to have to pay for it. Some way, somehow. You're going to pay for my two dogs. They are my only company, and Mr. Fanso, you take them away from me. It now go. Mr. Brown, I don't want you to blame me, you know, sir. I've, for the past 2 weeks, I've been talking to you about your dog that have been come and terrorizing me in my yard. Don't you know that when it is mating season, you must get a cage and lock up your bulldog them? Hmm? You don't know that? And let your dog them stop be a nuisance to people. You can't say I never want you, you know. So I don't want you come here, come tell me how much string make me up and about church this and about church that. So what you're saying to me that Christian don't have any feelings? Eh? Hmm? Well, if they had a Christian, them don't have any feelings. I have feelings. His blood run through me, Mr. Brown. And I've been talking to you about those two bulldog. And that's the only solution, Mr. Brown. Hmm? Mr. Brown, that is the only solution. Hmm? You never hear say, these picnic falla cane bomb go a pound. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Oh, and I saw it go. Well, these jackass falla cane bomb go a pound. Mhm. Whichever one you want to say. But it looked to me like a these brown falla cane bomb go a pound. Because me been talking to you and you're not listening. Hmm? You keep telling me that it's not your dogs. Well, I put a stop to it because me fan so no had time for argue with people. Especially this a generation here where I come up, this a generation of vipers. Cause where I come out of them mouth coming like a when you have belly working. So me not got time for argue with people. So if you know what is good for you, you find your yard and go and don't come back over my yard, come terrorize me. I don't care. See me in court, I don't care. See me in court if you want to see me in